Alright, hey, it's Mopar Keith, and today is the day we're gonna tear this Dodge Dart apart. So we got I just torched the torsion bars.
It's party time.
Cross members all pieced out. We got a chain on it, and we're gonna just use the forklift and tear it apart. Here, why don't you go ahead and do a walk around to this car while I set this tripod up. Are they coming loose?
Yeah, I was just running back and forth.
Yep. Perfect. Alright, I got this ready, Chris.
Okay.
Alright, so this is going to be a parts car for a Barracuda. So here we go.
Face tracker. You're messing it up.
Phase tracker. Yeah, here we go. Well, Draven, try to pry that whole upper control arm off.
Very nice.
So yeah, I'm trying to save the upper control arms. A-body upper control arms aren't easy to find in decent condition, so just trying to save those. And we're putting a QA1 on it, so it doesn't matter about the upper control arm mounts. Let's lift the car and see if it'll come out.
Smoking deal on this car.
Smoking deal.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, sorry. That thing's hanging on by a thread. It's just stuck on the bottom of the frame. All right.
Mint condition Slant Six, never been beaten on, never been dropped.
Yeah.
Drove into
All right. Let's see if we can get the rest of this exhaust off. Hold on, it's stuck. You're not gonna get it.
You need the torch, she's got it.
Yeah. Alright, so that's about 25 minutes of shenanigans. Alright, yeah, that's scrap.
The next person that says shenanigans, I'm gonna
Shenanigans. Alright, so this Dart, we're gonna get this into the shop and we're gonna harvest the core support and the front frame rails out of it. Turn around there. So once again, front frame rails are not available for these cars, and we just got to do our best to salvage what we can find out there. So that's it for that Dart and that Slant Six. We'll put a wrench on that and see if that Slant Six is any good.